to remain optimistic after being told no so many times.
Released on bail in 2015 after spending 21 years, 7 months, and 29 days in prison. You basically swearing on a stack of Bibles that you didn't do it?
Correct.
Convicted to life for the 1993 murder of Boston detective John Mulligan, shot dead while sleeping in his truck during a paid detail outside of Rosendale Walgreens. The DA says never once since has a single piece of reliable evidence undercut the case against Ellis.
Now, two separate courts, both the federal court and the Supreme Judicial Court, have said that the Boston Police Department withheld exculpatory evidence.
Ellis claims he was a scapegoat after he volunteered being at the Walgreens the night of the murder. His attorney says many others had real motive to hurt Mulligan.
Because he was ripping off drug dealers in the area, because there were a number of people who understood that he was in, and he was part of that drug rip-off scheme.
Several members of the Boston Police Homicide Unit who investigated the case later pled guilty to corruption. Ellis is now 42.
Faithful person, I'm a spiritual person, so that's really what kept me going.
Shaun Ellis' attorney says she'll now be asking the governor, the attorney general, and the U.S. attorney to investigate alleged Boston police corruption during the 1980s and 90s. Tonight, the Suffolk DA says he absolutely intends to retry this case. Live in Rosendale, Jorge Quiroga, WCBB.